How to add two functions. Paano mag-add ng dalawang functions? If f plus j, if x is equal to 2, given our function f of x is equal to 2x plus x, and g of x is equal to negative 2 plus x. So since yung x natin is equal to 2, so simply f of 2 plus j of 2. So to make it easier, yung 2 natin, which is ang value sa x, is doon lang natin siya is-substitute sa ating final answer. So simply copy our f function, which is 2x plus x. So since addition ito, hindi niya mag-matter if yung g of x natin is nag-start into negative sign. So simply copy negative 2 plus x. So add like terms. So since yung may kapares yung 2x natin, which is positive x and positive x, so just add 2x plus x and plus x, which is 4x. Since yung negative 2 natin is walang kapares, so simply copy negative 2. So sabi ko nga kanina, yung to make it easier, yung values sa x natin, which is 2, is doon lang natin siya is substitute sa ating final answer, which is 4x minus 2. So hint lang, if yung x natin is walang value, if x lang yung nandito, is ito na yung final answer natin. So since yung x natin is merong value, which is 2, so yung x natin dito is ating is substitute into 2. So 4 2 minus 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So yung f plus j when x is equal to 2 natin is equal to 6. So that's it.